The Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page by the same name, and my Twitter handle is at XRP Crypto Queen. Mostly, I just make videos, and I wanted to talk about Coinbase for newbies, how easy it is to get set up here, and to just purchase. And I wanted to talk about a couple of assets that you can purchase here. I do think they will be relisting XRP. I do think that they will be carrying XDC soon. So I wish these notifications would go away. I did it in my settings and it still didn't take. Anyway, when you use my link, it's in the description below. You can get on here, and for every 100 you get $10. So do I. So you know what? If you want to use that link, it's in the description box below. There's also all my links for a bunch of different exchanges. Exodus wallet is online. They don't have an affiliate program. That is my hot wallet that I use mostly. I use Phantom as well. Also, it has my link for a Nano Ledger. Also, my links if you would like to set up a one-on-one session. Some people do that to get clarity in what they want to do, and some people like to get an overview of what I think is going on in the world, because it's a whole big ball of wax, this crypto, and what's going on with fiat currency, silver, gold, all that. And you know, when you're connecting the dots, you know that you're in the right place when you're going to do some assets here on this exchange or any exchange, and put it on your ledger. Today I'm just going to buy a small amount of two assets, and I want to show you how easy this is once you get this set up. And see, I have my Wells Fargo right here. If you want to, when you get in here and you go to home, right here. Well, that's where I was. Okay. I have to confirm my info by December 22nd. Sure. Okay. When you go here, you would click on this because it would be empty at that point, and you have to set up your bank account. Then you can either link it to directly a bank account. I have mine linked to my debit card. And you can make one-time purchases. As you can see, I have mine. I can buy up to $400 worth. If I wanted to come back on, I can text them and sort that out. I haven't upgraded to Coinbase Pro, or is it Coinbase One? I think it is, where they charge you monthly, because I don't do much trading. I buy and I hold. And normally what I do is I buy when things are low, but I wanted to show you this one thing because QUANT, there is such a thing as doing dollar cost averaging. I do that with other investments over the years, and so I just wanted to show you, what I do with this. And I'm only going to buy, $50 worth of QUANT. That's what I'm going to do. Invest weekly. See, I could do that weekly and cancel at any time, but no, I like to do it when I like to do it. It often does add up to be, usually I do every other week, and then I take it off the exchange. QUANT, I am leaving. I just started buying QUANT because they just started listing it not that long ago. So I'm leaving it on here for now. It's not a heavy asset for me, but I think there's value in it. It goes right along with the XRP, XLM, XDC program for me, and ISO 20022 coins, along with Algo and a few others. So let me just hit buy now so you can see how easy this is. And what happens is once this goes through, they notify you by email. You have purchased your QUANT. It's ready to be traded, and there it is. Pay 0 trading fees with Coinbase One. Well, you know what? Let me click on that because I think there is. See, I already got an email about it. There it is. Coinbase One, free for 30 days, $29.99 a month after that. I just don't feel the need for it right now, so I'm just gonna do that and leave it. I'm going to also look at, let's see, do they have, I don't think they do have XDC. No. XRP is not listed here yet, but I'm telling you, it's going to be coming back. And Stellar. Stellar's always a good one. XLM. I think it's going to be right behind XRP when things start to maximize. And I think that's going to happen very soon as they wrap up, Ripple wraps up this lawsuit with the SEC. So I'm going to buy $50 worth of that as well today. And I already have pretty big bags of lots of stuff, and I keep it on my Ledger Nano. When I say lots of stuff, I have narrowed down from 32 different coins to all ISO 2002. And look at how quickly Coinbase verifies that. Okay. All of it is in ISO 2002 coins, and I have gotten into NFTs lately. Let me know if you are interested in NFTs, and I will try to give you some clarity if you want to get involved in that. It's a whole different world, I can tell you that. So it's real interesting to me, if it's interesting to you. For newbies, I'm not so sure I would recommend it. I think buying and holding is your best prospect if you're buying the correct coins. And just be patient, because look at what's happening with currency now. And your best options are to, hodl crypto. Get yourself some, I would recommend silver over gold myself, but that's just me. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I do. And I'm also just leaving everything in, my other EFTs and all that other stuff that I have with brokers. I don't keep much money in the bank. I would suggest that you don't, if you really think about it. Again, not financial advice, just sharing what I do. Because I see where this world is kind of going to. And there are, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but you got to be watching how what's happening with banks and fiat currencies around the world. And that's my job, not yours. But, if you're interested in all of that, it sure is an interesting time that we are living in. And I'm going to wrap it right there. Thank you so much for listening. I love you all, and I really appreciate your time and energy for being here with me. And I'll see you on the next video.